what have the last 12 to 18 months taught you about money making in the first place?
Great question, Neeraj, to start with. You're right, it's been a bumper year, and I've been one of the later converts to the bull market that took place. But having converted now, I'm full-blown in the bullish camp, despite being some skepticism because of this current fall of 10% or so, that maybe the market has peaked and maybe the bull market is over. I happen to believe that here's the intellectual case I make, Neeraj, just to answer the question further. I think if India is to survive and prosper in this era, it will have to beat to its own drum. By what I mean by that is there is some evidence to suggest that the US market, the bull market has been running for almost 13 years nonstop, is tiring or getting old or maybe even over. The reason I suggest that is because the breadth is increasingly narrow. The S&P is dominated by 5 stocks, which are powering all the gains. A lot of the tech stocks are at 20, 30%. There's an old saying that you can't fight the Fed. So the Fed is now tightening after being easing for so many years. So that itself is bad for equity markets because the valuations of the companies come down. And thirdly, of course, retail investors who typically get in at the end of a great cycle have been getting in droves. I think they own some record amounts of outstanding margin debt as you speak. Record amount of outstanding apps are floated in the US stock market. So my feeling is that the US market is aging. So now why do we have to beat our own drum? We have to beat our own drum because there's a chance this is a very virtuous cycle we're seeing of India. And like, say, Japan in the 60s or some other emerging markets, India can now beat to its own drum because India is a large domestic economy. And the most important thing I find is that for last year, we proved that even when the foreigners come and sell in India, as they sold almost every month, the Indian market can still remain buoyant. So that gives me hope that I'm not sure yet. I think it's a work in progress, but it gives me hope that even if the Dow enters a serious correction, India can at some point break free and march to its own drum.